family convinced Katlego to steal documents from Ezekiel's office to help get Isaac out of jail. Ona regrets turning down Neil's proposal. Now she feels lonely. And Faith scares Mampo about Ukotiza Emakaya. And Nkosi no Palisa, they are starting to grow a connection after the kiss. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Sweden. Genesis family is trying to figure out how are they going to help Isaac now that Katla has come through with information that he had Isaac and his talking that they framed Isaac and shot Kata. Now, the lawyer convinced them to ask Katlego to come through and be a witness. They're putting the kid at risk. Now, Mlefe is very excited, saying Gucci freedom is coming. As he's dancing. Now, Umsiz and the others are even wondering, what are you talking about? He's busy saying, no, it's classified information because you cannot really share it with others. Now, Kerezo is trying to convince Katlego to come to the house because her family wants to talk to him, saying Guti, she's grateful. She's very grateful for what he's doing for her family and for her. And Katlago came to the house, and then Mulife and Maria, they're there. They're trying to convince, Mulife is actually trying to convince Katlago to do it, saying that they're asking him to go to Ezekiel's office because closely and he's got a relationship with him and he has access. He can go there and get documents. Get documents to help pin Isaac, to help Isaac get out of jail. Katlago is scared, saying you have to get chukele. This is really dangerous. Ezekiel when he's taken down such powerful men nagging. But at the end, they ended up agreeing because Maria was now saying, we can't force you to do something that you're not comfortable with. And then she's starting to regret turning down Neo's proposal because she feels like Mampo's happiness is now wrapped on her face. Well, she's not doing it intentionally, but seeing Mampo getting her happily ever after proposed to, she's about to get married, she feels like her life is stuck. Now she's lonely, she does not have anyone. And because she messed up, first she had Soga, she messed that up, and she had Neo, and she messed it up, Katie. She even turned down the proposal, but the proposal came at a time when they thought she was pregnant. So it didn't feel like he wanted to, it felt like he was just doing the right thing. So at the time, it didn't feel right. Now, Honest trying to think, even telling Faith, no one's proposed. Now I feel bad. Now I feel lonely. Faith is like, what, happiness comes from within. Indoor, a ring on your finger would make you happy. And I'd rather be alone than to marry a man, the wrong man. She does miss Ukulubu, but she just has to live with it, and it does get lonely sometimes. And then Faith scares Umampo, got her a gift, my scented candles, and scares her about Kotiza. Le Emakaya saying that you don't know a man Masawanim Dena because Mampo was like, do you think Soga would put me through that at here was when it's a lot? We'll have before chickens wake up and wash for Umalum and cook for them and do all that. Now Umampo is scared. And then, Palisa, after their kiss, now they can't stop thinking about each other. They keep on looking at each other's pictures. Are they going to get back together and start a relationship? Because they've grown to be really good friends now. So I think maybe this time around the relationship can work, also because they're not cheating on anyone. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.